Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to show you what I got at Costco. I just did a grocery haul. This will be for about 2 weeks. I spent $454, but I did buy some toothbrushes that, like the automatic kind, that were on sale. So take that out and it's like they were like $65. So around like $390 of food. And I did get dishwasher tablets as well as trash bags. So I am gonna show you guys my haul, and then I'm gonna show you what meals I prep with the food that I got to give you guys some healthy, easy meal prep inspiration. I will also list down in the description box the dinners that I'm going to be making with these items. I don't do recipes really, so if you have a question, just kind of post it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys what I got at Costco, and then tomorrow, for me, but for you guys just in a few minutes, I will show you what I'm actually gonna be making and how I prep food and meals for the week. So here's the haul. So sometimes I organize it and sometimes I don't, but I didn't have time, so I just did it like this. So I got Honey Nut Cheerios for the kids, a thing of eggs, the dishwasher detergent. I got the organic fruit Stretch Island fruit strips. I got half and half. I got Jimmy Dean turkey sausage for breakfast. I got the Boboli party pack. There's 8 crusts and sauce in here for only like $8, so it's a really good deal. I really liked this yogurt that I tried last time. It is the less sugar. It only has 9 grams and 12 grams of protein, so really like that. Here's the trash bags that I buy, and then the toothbrushes I talked about. These are a new buy, but I am really cracking down on no junk. So these are just like to have a little taste when you really want something. The ingredients were pretty good on those, so those are a new little snack food. I got the double pack of 5 cheese tortellini for tortellini soup. I got French rolls for meatball subs for my kids, and then I'll do meatballs with like a zucchini on the side. I got the artisano bread down there. I got this LaCroix pack. I got this tri-tip. If you've never tried it, it's delicious and so easy. You just bake it for like 45 minutes and it's done. So good, so easy. I got these popcorner chips. If I feel like having something like that, I will have some of these and then my kids will eat them as well. The late July tortilla chips, the frozen chicken tenderloins that I always get. I'll be meal prepping with these and using these for dinners. The cauliflower pizza. This pizza is so good. My kids love it. I love it. It's just nice to have on hand. Some Eggo waffles. My kids put peanut butter on those, and it's a quick and easy breakfast for the morning. I got some blueberries, 2 packages of the Josie's Organic Crunch salad. That's my favorite salad. I got a thing of asparagus to go with the tri-tip. I got organic spinach. I got organic apples. I got the protein bars I always buy, and then I did get another pack for when a craving occurs. These take care of that for me. I got my kids the Cliff nut butter filled bars for their bar. I got some pears. I got the organic cucumbers. I got organic bananas. I got organic squash and zucchini mixture, some for the tortellini soup and some to go with the meatballs. I got organic butternut squash to roast and have with like chicken for a meal prep meal. And then coming over here, I got the pre-made Italian turkey meatballs, quick, easy for sports nights. I got these egg bites. These things are, for 4 of them is $9, so it's much cheaper than like Starbucks, and they're delicious for when I feel like I need some protein and I want a snack, but you know, I don't really have time to make my own, although these are easy to make. I got organic riced cauliflower for a enchilada recipe. I'm gonna try using this as a base, but I always buy this. These I bought for my kids for lunch, the mini tacos. They were on sale. I like to just have like one frozen thing to offer for lunch. And then I got the Kodiak cake mix. We use that, it's a staple. And then I got a lot of questions in my New Year's routine video about where I get my vitamins. These Smarty Pants vitamins, I usually order them from Grove, but I was so excited to start seeing Costco have them sometimes. So I went ahead and grabbed these because I was out. So that is everything all along here and then all along the island back here that I got from Costco. So now I am actually going to head over to Walmart and pick up my small order there. And then I will show you guys what I meal prep with all of this and list the meals I'm going to be having down in the description box for you guys. To hopefully give you some inspiration on some easy food to feed your family. Okay, so the first thing that I do to meal prep is wash any produce that I need to. So I went ahead and washed all of these peppers. There's drains in here, so you're able to just leave them in the bag. And then I washed the blueberries, and I want to get some of those containers that supposedly keep berries better longer, but for now I just put a paper towel in the bottom to soak up the moisture, and we do well with keeping blueberries good for at least like a week. When strawberries are in season, then I will do the same thing with strawberries or raspberries. So now the next thing that I am meal prepping is some chicken. I am going to marinate it in olive oil and seasonings, keep it pretty simple, garlic powder, pepper. I'm gonna let it marinate for about an hour, and then my husband is going to grill it. As long as I have some form of protein prepared for myself for lunch, whether that's a turkey burger or chicken, then I do really well. And I'm going to pair the chicken with the roasted zucchini, and I do have one squash. I'm gonna go ahead and use these fresh vegetables obviously before the frozen ones because these will go bad first. So I will show you guys how I do these, but basically I just slice them. I put a little olive oil, same seasonings on them, and I roast them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 375. So that's what one of these cookie sheets is for. The next cookie sheet is gonna be for some coconut oil and cinnamon sweet potatoes. These organic steam in the bag ones, I just like to buy these because peeling sweet potatoes is not my favorite thing. I love having sweet potatoes with the cinnamon and the coconut oil with my eggs in the morning. That's like what I'm gonna eat for breakfast pretty much this entire week. So I'm gonna get all of these sweet potatoes prepared. You just do them frozen and then, you know, rub all coconut oil on and put cinnamon powder, and I will roast them for about the same amount of time, maybe a tiny touch longer than the zucchini. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these 2 trays right now while the chicken prepares, and then I will just scramble my eggs in the morning. So that'll be my breakfast. Lunch will be my chicken and my sauteed vegetable, or my roasted zucchini and squash, and then for dinner, I make my meal plan, and then I have dinner ready to go. So that is just an easy, quick way to basically take care of my meals all week and have nutritious foods on hand. And this meal prep in total will take less than an hour. Okay, so now that the chicken is done grilling, we're just gonna slice it up, and we're gonna do 2 or maybe 2.5 chicken tenderloins in each container. We have 5 right here, but I think we will do 6. And then I'm also going to add in the zucchini that is done baking, just straight in with the chicken, so that way it's really easy for us to just microwave. These are glass Pyrex Tupperwares. We got a set at Costco, and then my husband actually was gifted some for a Christmas gift from someone at work. So he's just slicing up the chicken. I'm gonna add the zucchini, and then lunch will be ready for us for the week. Now here is what the roasted sweet potatoes look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these off the pan and put them all into the container, and then I'll just portion out what I want in the morning. But these are all done, and then that'll be an easy, healthy addition to my eggs. And then if I feel like adding a little spinach to my eggs, that is a delicious, healthy combination. So then breakfast will be ready for me for the week. It for this meal prep with me and grocery haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very simple, very easy. Took about an hour to do, but it will make the week a lot easier, and it'll help keep me on track with just making sure I'm eating healthy and eating the right food groups, and keeping the portions good, and just not having to come up with something to eat every day. If you have fitness or weight loss goals, I highly encourage you to meal prep. It always is worth the time invested, and it doesn't have to be something super complicated to make happen or increase your grocery budget by thousands of dollars. It's just as simple as protein and vegetables and whole foods. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I prepped. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more grocery hauls and how I prep food for the week. I know a lot of you guys love the videos of what my kids eat, so stay tuned, because I am gonna do a video of what they eat in a day, just to give you guys some good ideas. We don't eat perfectly healthy all of the time. We don't eat a certain type of way, keto, paleo. We just eat healthy, good foods, everything in balance. So that's our approach. It may work for you, it may not. But if you want to see more food related things, thumbs up for this video. Leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.